union brake. I think you get the picture, right? I just got like, there's the other pole over there, see it? I probably got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 more poles, maybe 5. And I've already got these in right here, all the way down. So, yeah. I'm gonna call it right here. And I'll edit this video and put it out for you, just to give you an idea. It's easy as far as not having to auger a hole 3 feet down, put gravel in it, stick the pole in it, pour a bunch of concrete in it. And concrete's, you know, about $6 a bag or more. Takes about 2 bags per hole. So you're looking at about $12 a hole. Let's just say it's $10 a hole. You know, and you pay a lot for concrete. I'm saving about $1,000 in concrete by driving these suckers 3 feet down with a post driver. So the fence is going to be right under 6 feet, probably around 5'11", something like that. And per code, you know, if it's 6 feet or higher, you have to have a permit. So I'm going to keep it under the 6 feet limit. Well, I'm going to get these driven in, and I appreciate y'all watching now. Y'all go get you one of these. Or get you some good post-o diggers, man. Thanks for watching. Bye now.